No, my name is Yolanda Almaguer, and I'm 83 years old, and I have had issues with my knees for at least 15 years. And I've tried different things from rub-ons to soft braces. But when I saw your ad on TV, I decided to give y'all a try because I have gone to 2 orthopedic surgeons and have had injections done, and they didn't work. Because I remembered having cortisone injections, and I'm a diabetic. My diabetes shot up to 400. I was told that the only solution would be to have knee replacement surgery, which I do not want. And the main reason is because my mother had knee replacement surgery and she never walked again. So I didn't want to take that chance. I figured someday, somehow, somebody would come up with a solution. And I'm very pleased to say that coming to see Dr. Persine here has really given me new hope. I can actually walk without a cane now. I would say I'm at about 75% without pain. And this, I understand, will even get better after 6 weeks of the injection taking place. And the main thing that I found different here is that Dr. Persine uses a camera before the injection. The other 2 doctors never did. They just said, "Where does it hurt?" And they injected it there. She explained to me that there are places that will be just as good, but it doesn't hurt. And several of my friends said that that's why they don't go. So I'm recommending Dr. Persine to them very, very enthusiastically. I was told that I'm bone on bone and that nothing would do other than having knee replacement surgery. No, absolutely. And at my age, at 83, no way. I would say I was at about 90%, from 0 to 100%. That's how much pain I felt. I would think my pain level was at 9.5, very bad. And then because I have liver disease, I'm not allowed to take painkillers. Tylenol or ibuprofen or any of those things will make that issue worse. So I had to just stay off my feet, not go to activities, very limited option. Walking, absolutely. When I go to H-E-B, I get in the little carts or Walmart, anywhere, anything and of course my cane, I had to use it. My husband had a lift installed in our home since I have a 2-story house, so that I didn't have to use my knees going up and down because all our bedrooms were upstairs to begin with. So that was kind of difficult. Yes, I've never felt this good in the 15 years. I had no side effects. It's wonderful that I can go places without having a knee brace or a cane. It feels weird, really, to be able to have that freedom. I'm looking forward to that.